This video will show you exactly how to generate consistent images throughout your whole scenes step by step with this simple method. And this simple method, you can always use it anywhere and anytime. Hope you can see the consistency right here. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorial like this, because in my next video I'll be showing you exactly how to bring these consistent images to life without changing the quality or the consistency. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Welcome to Flora video, guys. If you watched my last video, I showed you how to generate your realistic and unique stories for your AI movies, and this is me trying to show you how to generate your scenes and your images one by one to be consistent. And this is the prompt I'll be using, which I'll drop in the comment section for you guys. So this prompt explains a lot. You can always change this one to the kind of image you like. Probably it's a realistic image. After getting this, I want you to understand that to get the consistent characters, you must first generate your characters one by one, as in individually. Once you generate your characters individually, to generate consistency in the rest of the scene is a small thing. So now I'm going to copy all these character prompts. I'm going to copy everything one by one and take it to Google Flow. Taking it to Google Flow, click on Create with Google Flow and sign up with your Google account. After that, I'm going to press on New Project to paste the old character scenes I've copied on my keyboard. Now I have to click on the settings, but now I want the image to come out, which I click on image. If I want to generate a video, I click on video, but I want image. I pick the aspect ratio 16:9. I picked 2 result over here and also Nano Banana Pro. That is what I want. So after making sure the settings is there, I started pasting the prompts which I copied on Claude AI one by one. I didn't even allow it to finish narrating before I pasted the second one. I pasted everything at once and I'm here waiting for the result. So now this is our result. You can see it generated the image tutu. So we have to pick the best. You can now go ahead and change their outfits, that is if you like, but make sure you generate your characters individually first before merging them together in different scenes. So now I have to download the one that is the best. So now I want to generate a particular scene that involves all of them. So I just have to click all of their images at once and input the prompts. I have to remove their names there, in as much their pictures are there. So this is how you can put 2 or 3 people images together to get a consistent image for your scenes. Alright, so in my next video I'll show you how to generate videos, how to bring these images, these consistent images to life. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below any of your questions. See you in my next video. Bye.